Hello students and respected teachers. Today we will discuss about the operating system scheduling. So this topic is very important for GATE. We will solve the NPTEL 6th assignment. Our request to everyone, please share this lecture to your friends and family. Okay, so more people they can get the benefit. This is very important for the GATE as well as for placement. So today we will solve the assignment number 6 and we will also discuss about the scheduling algorithm. Some topic already we uploaded, again we will try to solve some another topic. So at first we will discuss today assignment number 6. In this assignment number 6, a process, actually what is a process scheduler schedule different process to be assigned to the CPU based on the particular scheduling algorithm. So in this lecture we will discuss about the first come first serve, shortest job first or shortest job next, priority scheduling and shortest remaining time, round robin and multiple level queue scheduling. So you should also know about what is primitive and what is non-primitive. Primitive means you can allocate the process or deallocate the process anytime. Okay, depend on the condition. And non-primitive means once the process it has been allocated, then in any condition you cannot deallocate. Okay, that is the real meaning of this primitive and non-primitive. Now, so in this topic also we will discuss about the arrival time, the burst time, the completion time, the turnaround time, the waiting time and the response time. In this again we will solve at first the GATE question, then it is very easy to understand. So students, we are showing all the answers one by one and our request, please watch the video, okay, till the end, so you can get the answers how we got the solution. Okay, this is very important because at last you have to give also the end exam. Okay, that is very important. And C exam also, this is very important. The first answer, this is not correct answer. Okay, why? We also discuss this answer is not correct, but here we have written 1.5 and we also discuss why this 1.5. Next, the question number second answer is this, we also proved. Question number 4, this is question number 2 and 3. Okay, we also proved why. Question number 4, the first answer why we proved. Question number 5, 6 and 7, why we proved. And question number this 8, why we proved. Question number this 9 and 10 we also proved. Okay, now at first there are some topic also before coming. And you should also know something is very important, we will discuss later. Okay, so this is everything, this is very important to pause the video and check. These are very important topic for the GATE exam. Okay, so how we got the solution. Okay, thank you so much. And the NPTEL, we will show you all the solutions, NPTEL problems. Now, this is the first GATE question. Last time they asked, and also this is very important for the placement also and for your CAT exam also and C exam also, JNT exam also. Now, in this question they have given total number of 4 process and arrival time means when the process will arrive. Burst time means how much time it will take to execute, okay, to complete the task. So P1 they have given 0, 1, 5, 6 and burst time is equal to 2 to 3, 4. So at first I will prepare the Gantt chart. So this is first come first serve. So first come first serve, at first add 0 P1 is coming. So I will allocate P1. Okay, total timing is 2. I have given total time 2. Okay, then P2 is coming at time 1. at time 1 P2 is coming, total timing is 2. I have also given 2 time. Okay, now you can see P3 is coming at 5th position. Okay, but at 4 time 4 there is no other process is waiting, so that is the ideal state. Okay, there is no process, so I cannot allocate the time this at this time any process. Okay, so now at 5th time process P3 will come and it will take total number of 3 time, so 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then P4 will come, it will take total number of 4 time, then 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now when the process P1 will complete his task, that is the completion time, P2 completion time is equal to 4, P3 completion time is equal to 8, and P4 completion time is equal to 12. So we have written here this completion time. This is the meaning of completion time. Now what is the turnaround time? Turnaround time means completion time minus arrival time. So P1, this is my P1, its completion time is 2 and arrival time is 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Similarly, I calculated for P2, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, P3 and P4. We will solve all turnaround time. Now, what is the waiting time? Waiting time means turnaround time minus brush time. What is turnaround time? This is turnaround time. This is turnaround time 2. And what is brush time? Brush time is 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, for P2, turnaround time is 3 and brush time is equal to 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Similarly for P3 and P4. Now next, what is response time? Okay, what is this response? Response means CPU allocated time minus arrival time. Okay, CPU allocated time. What is CPU allocated time? The meaning is when the process P1 came, and at that time what was the allocation time? So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. When P2 came at 2 and allocation time is equal to 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. I will show you also. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now similarly, I will calculate when P3 came at 5. If you have any query, I will show. P3 came at 5. Arrival time is 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now P4 came at 8 and arrival time is equal to 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So this is the response time. Sometimes they asked in GATE also. So how to calculate the average wait time? Okay. So average wait time, you will add all value and divide it by total number of process. Similarly, average wait time, you will add all value. Okay, this value you will add, this value you will add. Okay, all value. You will add all this value, you will add all this value divided by 4. That is the average turnaround time, that is the average wait time. Okay, if it is not visible, I will show you. This is the average turnaround time, this is the average wait time. So last time also they asked in GATE exam, turnaround time is how much greater than the average wait time. Okay, so you should also know how to calculate. Okay, now next we will discuss another topic. Another topic is, this is actually they asked in NPTEL. So this question, there is a confusion, so I have solved this question by two methods. So shortest job first. What is the meaning of shortest job first? Shortest job first means the process will execute at first which has lowest time to execute, to complete his task. Very simple. There is a two people, one people can complete his task only in 1 second and one person is taking 1 hour. So 100% this person, you will definitely you will give the authority to this person. Okay, you complete your task at first, then this person will complete his task. Okay, so similarly in this question SJF, but this question I have completed by the help of two methods. The first method I am using SRTF, shortest remaining time first. So in this question he has given us arrival time, and this is my burst time. Now see here, at first I am, the smallest time is equal to 2, and this is also 2. Okay, smallest time is 2 and this is also 2, but this came at first, P2 came first, so I have given P2. P2 took total 2 time, I have given total 2 time. Okay, now add 2, now you can see add 2, this is shortest remaining time first I am using. Now add 2, you can see this process is waiting, and this process P3, it has only 2, but it will come at 3 when time is 3, but the time is 2. So you cannot start process P3 at time 2. So what I did, I started P1, and P1 I have given only for one time. Okay, now once I have given P1 at one time, so now this P1 is out of 3, now this is only 2, now this is also 2 and P3 is also 2, but P1 came first, so again I have given P1 for 2 timing. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 2 5, then I allocate P3, this is 2 timing, at last I allocate P4, this is 4 timing. Okay, this is 4 time. So now this is my Gantt chart. Now according to this, already we discuss compilation time and chart, already we discuss, again I will not discuss. Okay, so when P2 complete his P2 complete at 2 and P1 complete at 5 and P3 complete at 7 and P4 complete at 11. So now you can calculate the turnaround time as well as you can calculate the average wait time. Then you can calculate the average wait time. Okay, but there is a question. This is the shortage of first. So shortage of first, you will never check the timing. Okay, so which one has the smallest, you will allocate the process at first. So according to this rule, at first P2 will allocate, then P3, then P1 and P4. So this question I already solved. So you can see here, if someone has query, at first I allocate P2, then P3, then P1, then P4. According to this, I calculate the calculate the chart. Okay, turnaround time, then waiting time. Okay, so now you can see, at last I got the average time is equal to 1.75. If I am using SJF, if I am using shortest remaining time first, then its total time is average wait time is 2. If I am using SJF, then total time is 1.75, and you can see in NPTEL the answer is not matching. So there is a disturbance. You should send the query to the NPTEL committee. Now next question they asked. This question they asked round robin. This is the NPTEL question. So they have given us arrival time is 01352 and brush time is equal to 62834. Okay, so in round robin there is a quantum time they will give you. Quantum time means the process, at first the process, you will give the time to every process to complete their task. Means process P1 will take 3 time. Okay, you will never consider he has completed his task or not. You will give only timing is 3 to each process. Now see here. So there are 2 states. One is the ready state and one is the run state. Now see here. At 0. P1 is ready. At 0. P1 is ready. Okay. At 0 P1 is ready. So it will come to the run state now. So P1 has total timing is 6, but according to the round robin I can give only 3 timing. So out of 6 I have given 3 time to P1. So 0 to 3 I have given P1. Okay, so at this timing 3, so total number of P2 also came and P3 also came. P2 also came and P3 also came, है ना. At timing 3 P2 also came. So P2 at first P2 also came, है ना. Now P2 you will give that this to P2. P2 has only 2, okay, but according to the round robin total timing is 3, but P2 has only 2 timing, so this 2 you will give to P2 has taken, P2 completed his task. Now P2 reached at 5. Now you can see at 5 how many processes are here. P1, P2, P3, P4. P1, P2, and at first P5 came. You can see at first P5 came because P5 only 2 timing. This is very important. P5 has only 2 timing. So at first in ready state P5 will come, then P3 will come. P3 has 3 timing. Then P3 will come, and at last P4 will come. So this to prepare the ready chart is very important. Who is coming first according to the time? Okay, so you will write all the process in this table. Okay, now so P2 completed, then P5. P2 completed, then P5. P5 came. P5 is total timing is 4, but you can give only 3 timing. So out of 4 I have given 3 time to P5. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now P5 has only 1 now left. Now P3. Now P3 you will allocate. P3 is equal to total timing is equal to 8. P3. So P3 out of 8 3 you will give. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, remaining time is equal to 5. Okay, now P4 will come. P4 has only 3 timing, so P4 will execute. P4 finish. P2 finish already. Now then again you will come to the back. Once you reached here, again you will come to the back. Now P1 the last 3 you will allocate here. P1, then P2 already done. P5 will allocate, then P3 5. At first you will allocate 3, then you will allocate 2. Okay, so this is my real chart. Okay, if you can see.
So once you prepare the chart, then after that it is very easy to calculate the this turnaround time and waiting time. So after that you will write when P1 completed. P1 completion time is 17, and P2 completion time is 5, and P3 completion time is 18. P3 completion time is 23, and P4 completion time is 14, and P5 completion time is 18. Okay, you prepare. After then you will write all value here. Okay, already we discussed how to calculate turnaround time. So now completion time minus arrival time. Okay, so you can calculate all value. So then you can calculate the average wait time. So you will divide, then you will get 8.6. This is the final answer. Okay, you can check also NPTEL question. Now next we ask the NPTEL priority scheduling. Okay, so this is also NPTEL question, and this is very important for the GATE exam. Priority means you will give priority. Okay, which one will come first? Okay, VIP. Who is VIP? So he has given total number of 5 processes, and he has given this is the burst time. This is my burst time, and this is my priority. So priority means this one is first priority, this is second priority, this is third priority, this is fourth priority, this is fifth priority. Okay, this is priority. Means this is the VIP. Now this is start. Now I will prepare my Gantt chart. Okay, so first this is very easy actually. At first I will give P2. I have given P2. Okay, whatever the time is 3, I have given time 3. Then I will give second priority is this one. I will give this one. Whatever the time you allocate. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then third priority is equal to this one. Okay, P3. Whatever time 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Done. Now
Then fourth priority is equal to P5. So P5 will come. What is the time? 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Then P4 priority is equal to 5. So 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. Okay, so once you prepare the Gantt chart, after then you can write the completion time. When P2 complete, when P1 complete, when P3 complete, when P5 complete, when P4 complete. Then you can calculate the turnaround time. Turnaround time is equal to completion time minus arrival time. Then you can calculate wait time. Wait time is equal to turnaround time minus burst time. So and then you will divide by 5. Okay, so answer is equal to 6.4. Okay, I think that you understand. Now I will not waste your time. And also we will discuss about what is the starvation. Starvation, what is the meaning of starvation? We already discussed. Okay, so starvation means if higher priority use CPU continuously and low priority process may wait indefinite. Okay, means it will be indefinite. That is the starvation. Real example of starvation. Okay. So starvation typically occurs when a task is postponed for an endless amount of time. That is the real meaning of starvation. Okay. Now next, race condition. What is race condition? Race condition means a race condition is a critical section that can be avoided. Race condition in OS occurs when 2 or more processes or threads are running at the same time. Okay, this is the meaning of race condition. Now critical section. What is a critical section? Critical section means once a process can exceed by some process to avoid use synchronization mechanism. So critical section, the first one is mutual exclusion, progress, and bound wait. It must be here. Mutual exclusion. What is the mutual exclusion? One process be inside critical section at any time.